Welcome to the January edition of the More Media Minute, brought to you by your school librarians. Just a reminder, the AR due date for the second 9 weeks is January 30th. Don't wait until the last minute to meet your AR goal. Remember, you are responsible for your library books. Do not lend your books to anyone, and do not let other people return your books for you. In the month of December, we had 5 students join the 25 Point Club: Zachary Brown, Levi McReading, Kelsey Rideout, Lydia Smelser, and Violet Verdeja. Congratulations to you 5. Please stop by the library to claim your prize. We will continue December's contest for the month of January. We only received 3 entries. We are looking for students to create a new book cover for their favorite book. All entries will be displayed on our January and February bulletin board. Warm up with a good book. 2 entries will also be chosen based on quality and originality to win a prize. Make sure your artwork has color to grab the reader's attention. Stop by the library's contest corner to pick up your entry form today. We will hang them on the bulletin board as they are turned in. For the month of December, we had a total of 2,756 circulations. The total words read was 13,697,909. We had a total of 1,231 AR tests taken, and out of those tests taken, 1,084 were passed. The library also added 110 new books to the library in the month of December alone. One of our new books is called The Night Diary. The location in the library of this book is historical fiction. The location on the shelf would be HIR. It's 1947 and India, newly independent of British rule, has been separated into 2 countries, Pakistan and India. The divide has created much tension between Hindus and Muslims, and hundreds of thousands are killed crossing the border. Half Muslim, half Hindu 12-year-old Nisha doesn't know where she belongs or what her country is anymore. When Papa decides it's too dangerous to stay in what is now Pakistan, Nisha and her family become refugees and embark first by train, but later on foot, to reach their new home. But even if her country has been ripped apart, can Nisha still believe in getting her life back together? Miss Hayes recommends this book. I read it over a break and I thought it was phenomenal. So please come check this book out if you like historical fiction. Another new book is What We Saw by Mary Houning Dawn. The location in the library will be in our horror section, and the location on the shelf would be HAH. You guys are probably very familiar with Mary Houning Dawn. Some other favorites by her is One for the Sorrow, Took, Wait Till Helen Comes, and The Girl in the Locked Room, just to name a few. When a woman is found dead in the woods, Abby and Skylar realize they hold the key to solving her murder. And as the tensions rise and their friendship frays, they must choose between keeping a secret or exposing a life-altering truth. Our next new book is Mr. Limoncello's Very First Game. The location in the library would be Mystery, and the location on the shelf would be GRA. We do have 2 other books about Mr. Limoncello in the library. This book is a prequel to the 2 books that we have. So go back to the start and meet 13-year-old puzzle-obsessed Luigi Limoncello. Luigi has a knack for games and puzzles, but sometimes it feels like the cards are stacked against him, until a carnival arrives in town and Luigi gets the chance of a lifetime, the opportunity to work for the world-famous Professor Marvelous, a dazzling banana hat-wearing barker who puts the show in showman. When the carnival closes, Professor Marvelous leaves behind a mysterious puzzle box along with a clue that will lead Luigi and his friends on a fantastical treasure hunt to a prize beyond anything they could imagine, if they can find it. Some other new books that we received, June Almeida, Virus Detective, Joan Proctor, Dragon Doctor, The World is Not a Rectangle. These books are going to be nonfiction, but they are also going to be quick reads in nonfiction. So come and check these out. We are working on our series in the library. We added a new series called The OK Witch. We are also working on filling some gaps in the City of Ember series, so come and check these out. We are also working on filling gaps in our other series, so there is lots more to come in the future. Thank you guys so much for listening, and we hope you have a wonderful January, and we cannot wait to see you in the library.